We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging. Today we're going to take a look at this Brother MFC L9570 printer. We're going to show you how to replace your toner cartridge. So if you're getting a toner cartridge low or replace toner cartridge warning, we're going to show you how to get that taken care of. It's a very simple process. First thing you want to do is make sure you know which color toner needs to be replaced, or which color toners if you have multiple cartridges that need to be changed. And so the first thing you want to do is look at your screen, and you want to read your error message. It'll tell you which colors need to be replaced. Or if you want to make it even easier, if you're on your normal control panel screen, the second button from the top right corner, it looks like 4 little status bars. If you click on that, and then that's going to take you to your toner menu. Click on Toner Life, which is the very first option. That's going to give you a status bar for all 4 of your toner cartridges, and that way you can figure out exactly which colors need to be replaced, and you don't have to. There's no questioning in it. You don't have to guess. Once you know exactly which color toners need to be replaced, the next step would be to open this front cover so we can access the toners. So over here on the right side, you're going to see this little button. Push down that button. That's going to allow us to lower this front cover. You want to take it all the way down until it's locked to open position. The next thing we need to do is we're going to grab this number 1 handle here, and we're going to remove the drum tray. So you're going to slide all the way out until it's in its locked position. And now you're going to find all 4 of your toner cartridges. So in our case, we want to replace our black toner. So we're going to find the black toner, we're going to grab the handle, and you're going to push forward towards the printer. You'll hear it click, and once you push it forward and it unlocks itself from the tray, you're going to lift straight up and remove your toner cartridge from the drum tray. Now you can set that on a clean, dry, flat surface. Unpackage your new toner. Once your new toner is ready to go, give it one last look over, make sure there's no packaging material anywhere on it. Then you can take it and you can install your new toner into your printer. Make sure it's seated all the way down into the drum tray. Then again, you're going to grab that handle, and this time we're going to pull backwards towards the rest of your toners until you feel it click and lock into position. And now you're going to want to repeat that process for any and all other toners that need to be replaced. Once you replace all the toners that need to be replaced, we're again going to want to grab this number 1 handle. We're going to push this drum tray all the way back in until it's in its locked position. Now we're going to close this front cover and make sure it's in its closed locked position. Now we're going to give the printer a second to initialize and prepare those toner cartridges for use. Once the screen comes back to its normal ready state, we'll be good to go and back up and printing. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to Onyx. We'd love to help answer this for you. Also, if there's any way we can help supply with any of your printer or office supply needs, please feel free to reach out to Onyx. We'd love to help supply those for you as well. We hope you have a great day and you're back up and printing. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.